Good morning, students. As you have studied the chapter The Fun They Had, the chapter has been completed. Today we will discuss over the questions. We will discuss over questions. Now open all of you. Your book open all of you. See the first question. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Either the answer should be in two sentences or a few words you have to use. It is short answer type questions. Now see, how old are Margie and Tommy? You have studied that Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. On the basis of your chapter, all the answer you will get. What did Margie write in her diary? On the first page you have seen Margie wrote in her diary. Here inverted comma given, today Tommy found a real. This she had written in her diary. Third question. Had Margie ever seen a book before? You have studied? No. Margie had never seen a book before. Short answer type question. Next question is, what things about the book did she find strange? In that book, what was written? In that book, about old school had been written. Margie found that the words were written on paper and they were not moving. This was a strange thing. And this school was running in a building and students were going there to study. This was strange. And human teacher was teaching. It was also strange. Many things were there. Next question, what do you think a telebook is? Students, I have told you in the class, a book seen on computer screen is known as telebook. Next question, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie, you have studied in the chapter that Margie's school was next to her bedroom. Half question is given, did she have any classmates? No, she did not have any classmates. Next question, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? You have studied in the chapter. At some place, mathematics subject had geography and history. They should add geography, mathematics and history they were studying. Second part, answer the following with reference to the story. This is also short answer type question. I would not throw it away. Question is, who said these words? You have studied that Tommy had said these words. Second, what does it refer to? What does it refer to? It refers to telebook. What is it being compared with by the speaker? This telebook is compared to old book. Second, sure they had a teacher, but it was not regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? They refer to the students of the past, people of the past. Second, what does regular mean here? Regular teacher here indicates mechanical teacher. What is it contrasted with? Human teacher. Mechanical teacher is contrasted with human teacher. Now, third part, answer each of these questions. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. These are also short answer type questions. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? You have studied? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. Why did Margie's mother send for county inspector? You have studied? When Margie was getting less mark in geography, Margie's mother called for county inspector. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Margie's mother sent for county inspector to repair the computer as Margie was getting less mark in geography. What did he do? The county inspector slowed down the speed of that computer. Here written on page number 7, you will get that It has written, I have sought to eat up to an average 10 years there. As you have studied, the geography sector was geared very fast speed. So county inspector had slowed down the speed of that computer to teach, and he made the average of 10 years 11. Next question. Why was Margi doing badly in geography? Margi was doing badly in geography because the geography sector was geared a little too quick, fast. So it was adjusted very fast. Why was Margi doing badly in geography sector? What did the county inspector do to help her? County inspector slowed down the speed up to level of 10 years. You have studied. Next question. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Here given, you have studied in the book that once had happened to Tommy's teacher. You have studied. One time you have studied in the chapter that here you see. Once they had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Once the history sector of Tommy's computer was blanked out completely, so his teacher was kept away for nearly a month. This was the report. Next question. Did Margi have regular days and hours for school? Yes. Positive answer you have to give. Margi had regular days and hours for school. If so, why? As her mother had told, as Margi's mother had told that the small girls learn better through regular hours. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? You have studied in the chapter. Tommy had described about the old school, that there were human teachers in the school, there was a school building, and the students from different places were going to study in that building. Homeworks were given, they were talking, laughing, etc. Human teachers were there. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Human teachers, he had described about human teachers. Next. Answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, 100 to 150 words. Here given, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margi and Tommy have in the story? What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margi and Tommy have in the story? Students who have studied about the school in future, centuries after, you have studied that Margi and Tommy were studying in their houses. The school room, the classrooms were next to their bedrooms, and mechanical teachers were teaching. There were telebooks seen on the computer screen. No books were, no words were printed on papers. The mechanical teachers were teaching, giving homework, and the speed was set according to the level of the students. That depended on their age. You have studied. So whatever the school in future Margi and Tommy has talked about, you have to mention, you should read the whole lesson and write it in paragraphs, 2 or 3 paragraphs. Next question. Why did Margi hate school? You have studied that Margi was at that time getting less mark, and so she was hating the school. Again the test was given, so she disliked it. And further half question is given. Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Emphasizing, you have studied in the chapter that at that time people were, students were going to a particular building where they were studying together, and the human teachers were teaching them. The students were talking, sharing their views, talking about the homework. They were laughing, they were enjoying, they were interacting. So they had a lot of fun. Last question. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school days? The story give reasons for your answer. About the same answer is given there. About the same answer will be. As Margie is telling that in future school that he is now, there was less fun for them because they could not interact with others. No classmates were there. But in ancient time, in old school, students were sharing their views with one another, and they were enjoying, talking, laughing. They were gathering together in that building, and human teachers were teaching. They could also talk to them and interact. So they had more fun than them. This way, students, all these questions you have to solve in your care copy, and whenever it is asked, you have to submit it. Further, students, I will give him some words you have to fill in the blanks. Awfully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, carefully, differently, quickly, silently. If you see, you are looking at your books, you can see here the report must be read carefully. In the first column, you will fill carefully, so that performance can be improved. Next question. At the interview, Samir answered our questions loftily. Second column, loftily, shrugging his shoulders. Third, we all behave differently when we are tired or hungry. In third, differently will be. The teacher shook her head sorrowfully when Ravi lied to her. Sorrowfully in the fourth. Fifth, I completely forgot about it. In fifth, completely will be there. In sixth, when I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled nonchalantly and turned away. In sixth, nonchalantly will be filled. Seventh, the president of the company is fully busy and will not be able to meet him. In seventh, fully should fill. Eighth, I finished my work quickly so that I could go out to play. In last, quickly will be filled. You should write this in your pair copy, and one homework you will do yourself. See your dictionary and make the adverb from the adjectives. One example I will give, just like angry, angrily. In the same way, you have to make the adverbs. See your dictionary and find out the adverbs from that. This is your homework, and you will solve it. The students, in this way you have to solve these questions in your pair copy, and whenever it is asked, you will have to submit it to me. Thank you.